Hello guys, welcome back to this advanced level combined mathematics YouTube platform or advanced mathematics platform or the for higher mathematics. Very interesting problem series I said that called paper out video series because all I expected question solving through this my video platform. So please subscribe these newcomers and share these all over the world. Any type mathematics part can be solved through this video series. All very rare problems, highly expected in exam papers in pure maths, applied maths, combined mathematics, further maths, higher mathematics, G mathematics, any type of international, national paper level problem solving. Okay, come back. Today is a nice binomial question, more suited for pure maths papers such as Excel, Cambridge, or combined maths, pure maths. Ax square, concede. The problem is available my WhatsApp platform, also that the YouTube banner. Consider the expansion. Consider this expansion ax square plus bx plus c into 1 minus 2x completely power 26, right? Yeah. When you expand, a long work, binomial theorem, before that refer your a class notebook of binomial 1 plus x to the power n. Expansion is what? Here they said x square, when you expand this, x square coefficient is 0. X square coefficient is 0. X cube coefficient is 0. X coefficient is negative 56. Then find the value of a plus b plus c is what? A simple question, more suited for structure type or part 1 type problem of pure maths paper. Okay, see my method equal. This is equal to what? This x, this, if you expand power 26, there are 27 terms. If you expand power 5 degree completely power 5 binomial, 6 terms. If you apply n expansion, n power, it becomes n plus 1 term. So whatever the minus comes, a plus minus format. Simple a plus b all things square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a minus b square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Similar fashion can be extended to many power using Pascal triangles or binomial theorem. Okay, it's a revision type problem. I won't teach full theory part here. Okay, we'll discuss. See my solution: ax square plus bx plus c, okay, into this expansion. I use some couple of terms. I follow the binomial theorem, the index n pattern. So nc naught, no? So 26c naught, the 1, okay, next plus 26c1. Next term start, I say minus 2x power 1, okay, plus what? 26c2 negative 2x here, negative 2x, and the power, what that 1 2, okay, plus another one for sure, 26c3 minus 2x power 3, okay, power 3, and so on, right? So I won't show plus minus. I use here plus and minus term, plus minus term. The even power comes positive or power comes negative, and so on. We have the final part. If I say final term becomes what? 26c 26, okay, and minus 2x power maximum, right? 26. But the first term, highest to least, this is 1, therefore 1 to the power 26, 1 to the power 25, 1 to the power, and so on. Next term, least to highest, here 1 2 3 and so on, right? Is the expansion of this part, right? Okay, now we come to the answer. See how this x square coefficient 0. X square, given that, right? Given that x square coefficient is 0. can you try some x square coefficient what here? If you multiply this is 27 terms available. Every part multiple by this together, it become a long work, right? So we should find what is x square coefficient. If you multiply this into this one, therefore we have coefficient 1. X square coefficient. Coefficient mean number, constant terms, right? That's why I put C. So what the answer here? A. Okay. 26C naught, right? 1 is it? If I show completely the pattern, that is x square coefficient. Are any x squares? Yes. X into x, x square, x into x, x square, right? So what the coefficient plus b into, okay, 26C1, here coefficient minus 2, right? Is it okay? X into x, x square, yes. Right. And furthermore, if you have any x squares coefficient, with the constant c, if you multiply this into this, right? X square, we have x square, right? Very important. Properly observe the problem clearly. After expansion, this into this stands for x square. So for that, the constant c into 26C2, when you write the coefficient only, no x parts, so minus 2 square, okay? This is, there's no any other chance for x squares, right? Completely 0. Now we simplify this. Do you know the NCR formula? NCR expansion or the answer factorial n minus r factorial right? If I show that form here, A, if I show first time 26 factorial, right? Over this minus this, 26 minus 0 factorial, and 0 factorial here 1, right? Okay, what is that? B into, see minus, okay, there's a minus here, right? And what is that? 26 factorial, 26 minus 1, 25 factorial, 1 factorial, right? And what is minus 2 square is 4, right? Therefore, 4C. 4C, once again, 26 factorial over 24 factorial into 2 factorial, right? Is it 0? Okay. That is 0 part. If I further simplify, I just cancel 0 factorial 1, right? Refer my theory class of binomial theorem. A into 1A, okay? You know 26 n factorial can be shown n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 and so on till 1 at last. Or otherwise n factorial is, what is n factorial is one format, n into balance part factorial, n into n minus 1 factorial. Factorial 10 is how? Factorial 10 is equal to what? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into and so on. Or otherwise, that is 10 into factorial 9 or 10 into 9 into factorial 8. Okay. Right, here see that minus. So 26 into factorial 25 cancel. So 26b is it? Okay. 26b. There's a 2 here. What happened to 2? What happened to 2? Into 2. So 52. Careful, 52, right? 52b, right? Okay, come back here. What is that? 4c. What is 26 factorial? 26 into 25 into factorial 24 cancel, below 2 equals 0. So connect your first simultaneous equation, is it? A minus 52b plus, can simplify, it becomes a 13,000 to the big number, no matter whatever number, right? Take the method of solving this binomial question. Is it okay? A minus 52b plus 1300c, right? This is our first equation, right? So expand quickly a format and you can go all the paths. So we can take what we need for the x square coefficient, right? I hope you understood. So please subscribe. This is the newcomers. You are the witness of my this video series. Those I intend to go 28 exams, 27 exams, 25 repeaters, or any national, international exam for pure mathematics. One of the biggest algebra lesson, binomial expansion, right? Okay, come back to my next equation, next pattern. If I raise, the way this one, the equation one is available. Okay, right. Now what is that? X cube coefficient, right? X cube coefficient is 0. So think the similar method. Where is x cube chance? Or if I x square into x cube, right? Okay, x square into x, what the coefficient? A into 26c1 minus 2, is it? Okay, x square into x cube, right? Oh yes, next one, x into x square chance for x cube. So positive the b into, what is that? 26c2, okay, 26c2 minus 2 square, that is 4, okay, x square into x cube, right? Finally, with the c, if you multiple positive, c into 26c3 minus 2 cube, right? Minus 2 cube equal to 0. This is the part for x cube coefficient. Check that. X cube coefficient equal to 0. So we have that a into 26c 1 minus 2 power 1, b into that one, right? And finally that. So furthermore, simplify similar fashion here. This is a minus 2a, right? Minus 2a. But this is 26c1 factorial 26 below 25 factorial. Can I take the 20? If I write once again on 26 factorial, 26 minus 1, 25 factorial, and 1, right? Or come back, what is b into? Says 4, right? 4b, can I say 4b? So factorial 26, 26 subtract 2, 24 factorial to 2 factorial. Here minus 8c, right? So 26 factorial, and write the factorial format, the value NCR. This is this minus this 23 factorial, and factorial 3 equal to 0. Try to get the second equation. So we have one simultaneous equation, that is a minus 52b plus 1300c equal to 0, right? Say number 1, okay? Now try to simplify this another CNCR format. For that, minus 26 into 25, therefore minus 52a here, right? And what is that? 4b into 26 into 25 into factorial 24 cancel below 2, right? What is 8c into, that is 26 into 25 into 24, and other part cancel below 3, is it? 3 into 2, that's 6 equal to 0. So try to collect another simultaneous equation in terms of A, B, C did form. So you have minus 26 and 252. Okay, factorial 26, 26 minus 125, right? So here, yes, so negative 52a, right? Plus you can simplify this here, 13, like that here, 100,300b, right? Like earlier, 1,300b, take value, and minus here, what, 6 cut here 4 times, here 100, and further you can simplify the big value. I have the answer that 20,800. Actually, you can collect the idea of the problem, not the biggest number, no matter whatever it is. So if you divide by everywhere some common factors, you can take a number form. X cube coefficient is 0. X cube coefficient part is 0. Then you have 252a, right? 52a, and collect that another simultaneous equation and try to write the second you can simplify some more parts here. I think cut by 13 or something like this, simplify. Okay, next one, see x coefficient negative 56, right? So you can further simplify that. It becomes second equation, right? And what is x coefficient? X coefficient comes, where is the x chance? With this one, b, if I write that, yeah, x coefficient negative 56, this into this, therefore b times 26 c naught, right? X coefficient, and c into this, okay, c into that, yeah, positive, c into 26c1 minus 2, right? This is negative 56. X coefficient, this into this 26 c naught into b, yes, and here x coefficient minus 2 with the c, right? C into 26 c1, yeah. Now you can simplify that. So here to 26 c naught, there is b only, and here you can simplify 2552 c, and so rearrange b minus minus 52 c equal negative 56. Say your third equation. Further you simplify, you can get some simple form. You see here that b and c one equation, right? B and C one equation. Try to collect another pair of equation in terms of B and C from the equation 1, from the equation 2. You have to find the B and C, A, B, C all separately. Your simultaneous idea. After collecting A, B, C, you have the answer for A plus B plus C. So its answer A become 1300, right? A is 1300. The B answer is 100. C is 2, right? C is 2. Check, work your own. Those are facing a future exam. Practice problem, most expected types can be asked in the structure paper, not a big problem. So once you saw, sometimes the paragraph is the typical difficult when you feel the problem says what, big shape of question. But after solving this, the technique. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this my video series. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time with another fantastic problem expected in future, any type of advanced mathematics papers.